Meaning of desecration.
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 Desecration. Desecration refers to the act of disrespecting or damaging something that is considered sacred or holy. The result of desecration is the violation of something that is revered or held in high esteem by a particular group of people. This can lead to feelings of anger, outrage, and loss, as well as a breakdown of trust and respect between different groups. In extreme cases, desecration can even lead to violent conflict or retaliation. Overall, desecration has serious and long-lasting consequences for individuals, communities, and societies at large.